have chosen Miss Bea Rose Santiago.
Hello? Okay, how are you feeling?
Best in Swimsuit Award goes to Ibini Wendy Catriona Gray.
What can you say po dun sa comments nila Bea Rose tsaka ni Maggie Wilson about na hindi daw deserving si Catriona po na manalo doon sa swimsuit round?
Well, I asked my mom, and my mom said that she was perfect. My mom kasi watched at live. So everyone's entitled to their own opinion. I like Catriona. I was actually rooting for Catriona, and I'm very happy that she won Binibini Pilipinas Universe. I believe that the Philippines will bring home another Miss Universe crown.